music.
All right. This one's my favorite. Tonight is one of the best nights I've ever drawn. Tonight's Digimon, we're gonna draw none of my favorites. We're gonna draw Allomon. Allomon is one of my favorite dinosaur-related Digimon. More than that, he's got powerful strength, interesting claws, and also has his own movie, Allosaurus, Walking with Dinosaurs special. Definitely awesome. There's his skull. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright. Metamorphically speaking, Allomon made his debut in a lot of Digimon adventures, including the Digimon reboot. up? What is Allosaurus? Here comes the best.
Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosaurian theropod dinosaur that lived 155 to 145 million years ago during the late Jurassic epoch. The name Allosaurus means different lizard, alluding to its unique concave vertebrae. It is derived from the Greek lambda omicron sigma and sigma alpha rho omicron sigma. The first fossil remains that could definitively be ascribed to this genus were described in 1877 by paleontologist Othniel Charles Marsh.
You know, there's a lot about Allosaurus I've wanted to share with you about him. When I first saw the Walking with Dinosaurs commercial, they played a commercial about Allosaurus. And after I'm done with this, I've got something exciting to show you. They even had skeletons of Allosaurus at the Museum of Natural History. That was exciting. Be sure to draw the legs and add stripes like the ones Greymon has. Alexa, play Fight Like a Warrior.
Laugh Like a Warrior by Matisyahu on Amazon Music.
Last but not least, the tail. And done. There he is, allomon. There. And get this, I have an Allosaurus dinosaur DVD. Stay here, I'll be right back. See? I told you I've got him. Awesome, isn't it? When I first saw this DVD, I knew I wanted to get my hands on it. I saw it in a dinosaur DVD pack called Chased by Dinosaurs. And, well, one time I went to the city and I got this DVD. Seeing it was exciting. This episode of Master Designs is dedicated to the great dinosaur and my hero, Big Al. Wherever you are, I'm proud of your accomplishments. And I promise to see you soon.